Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's fix if your Instagram followers are decreasing. I'm gonna hop on immediately to my Instagram profile, as you can see here. So if your numbers are dropping and you're wondering why that is, I'm going to walk you through some steps to help you find out. There can be a few different reasons why this can be happening to you. So first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it really helps me out. So I'm on my Instagram profile, and let's go. You can see I have, if you can see I have a few followers, 74. If you see your following numbers dropping with, for example, you can see it over here with 1 or 5 or even 9. That's just natural. People come and go, and that's organic. Some people just choose to unfollow you, but also new people will follow you. So if you see a spike in people unfollowing you over a period of time, you can always check your latest post and the content you made. Maybe you've changed your content and people started unfollowing you because they don't like this latest form of your content or stories you posted, and just go back to what you did before. But the other thing is, when you see your example, you have over, it's stated that you have over 15,000 or 20,000 followers, and you go down to 15,000. It's a huge drop when you lose more than thousands of hundreds of followers in just one night, for example. So what's probably happened is that you had probably a bunch of fake followers, and Instagram is cleaning their app. And they will delete all fake accounts, which results that you lose followers. That's not fun, but in the basic, there were never real followers, so they will never have given you likes or comments whatsoever, so there was no engagement. So let's make sure this won't happen to you. So you can go to the 3 lines here in the top right corner, click on it, and then tap on settings, and then tap on security. So what you can see is apps and websites over here, and you can click on it. So what you have to make sure is that you have no third parties apps stated here. So this has to be no active apps. Please do that, you guys, because if you have third parties apps connected to your Instagram, they can give you fake followers, but they also are not safe to use. So they can use your data and photos without you even knowing. So make sure that all of your followers are real and organic. If you ever see a huge decrease in numbers, go to this part of Instagram and check it. And if there is any third-party app stated, remove it. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you.